It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple at masarap na recipe. Let's start cooking! Yan. This recipe is part of our simple cookbook series and ginawa namin ng paraan para yung pagluluto natin maging as simple as ABC. So we will start, meron tayong pork dito. Gamit natin pork casing or pwede din pigi which is cut into mga 3/4 of 1 inch na cubes. Ganyan. Our pork is from Fresh Options kaya sigurado nating very nice, good quality. And we just season it very simply with soy sauce. So we're using Silver Swan soy sauce, garlic, and black pepper. Yan. So we season that. And one secret in tenderizing the pork, if you need to tenderize your pork, is to add a bit of baking soda. So 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. No? Just a little because if you add too much, magiging mapait siya. Yan. So that, we add that to the marinade. Yan. I will just continue. I will add cornstarch. I have 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Ang una-una natin gagawin is to prepare the pork. And we add water. Just enough water to wet the batter, no? Wet the cornstarch. So you can just leave that in your chiller for a while and let it continue to marinate. But in our case, we will just fry. Our oil is already hot and I will drop the pieces of pork into my hot oil. And our first batch is done. Yan. Look at that, nice color. Look at that. Gagawin na rin natin yung ating sauce. So, here, I have sugar and I will combine my cornstarch with my sugar. Look at that, ha. Hindi na ako gagawa ng slurry. I will simply combine my cornstarch with my sugar. Kung may lumps, i-mash mo lang. Very simple yung sauce natin. Put it in the pan. Ito na yung aking first batch. Tatabi ko lang ito saglit. Yan. It's very crispy. And again, before you fry your second batch, you have to let the heat of your oil recover. Yan, tumahimik na siya. Ibig sabihin, it's already hot enough. Our second batch is frying. Look at that. And let's continue with our sauce. I will add the juice from 1 can of pineapple chunks, Datu Puti vinegar, UFC banana ketchup for the nice color. Yan. Sobrang easy, di ba? And of course, Silver Swan soy sauce. Yan. Combine everything and we just turn on the heat and let it thicken. So we just wait for that to simmer. How easy is that? And we're waiting for the sauce. Yung gagawin ko dito, I will allow my oil to heat up again. We want it to become even crispier. So ang technique natin gagawin today ay double frying. Yung gagawin natin dito, when we add our vegetables, wala nang gisa-gisa. Gagawin natin, uunahin natin yung pinakamatigas na vegetable, which is the carrot. Sabay na pag-thicken. Of course, we will not forget to season our sweet and sour sauce with a little bit of salt. Just a little. Pitik lang. And black pepper. Yan. As always, we season what we're cooking. And that's done. And my oil is hot enough. And dahan-dahan para hindi tayo Yan. And our sauce is done. Look at that. Very nice. Nice color. Kaya mo sobrang ganda ng kulay. And put this pork aside. So, while it's hot, hindi natin ilalagay while it's hot kasi the steam will be caught in the sauce. So, yung gagawin natin, palamigin natin ng konti yung ating pork pieces. And while we're letting the excess oil drip, mainit pa yung ating sauce, we will add our vegetables. So, we have our red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and of course, our onions. Yan. Look at that, very nice sauce. Tama lang yung sauce natin, not too much. No? So when we add our pork, let's toss our pork. Wow. Natatakam na kami dito. And we're ready to plate. Papatagalin pa ba natin? And just before plating, dito ko na ilalagay yung aking pineapple chunks. Yan, para hindi siya masyadong maluto sa ating hot sauce. Ano pa bang kulang? Ang kulang dito, hain na natin para makakain na tayo sa ating sweet and sour pork. Look at that. Kaya here it is, our version of sweet and sour pork, made easier, made more simple for you. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.